Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted Facebook messages on iPhone. First, open the Messenger app. There's a good chance your missing messages were actually archived, not deleted. Deleting a conversation permanently in the mobile version of Messenger takes a few more steps than archiving. So people often choose the archive option instead of proceeding to delete. If you deleted the messages permanently, you would have seen a warning message stating that deletion is permanent and that there'd be no way to restore the message. So, if you don't remember seeing a message like that, check the archive. Then, tap your profile photo in the top left corner of Messenger. Now, tap Archive. Swipe left on the deleted conversation. If you find the conversation in your archive chat, swipe left on it will bring up some options. Then, tap an archive chat or unarchive. The option you see will vary by platform. This moves the archived conversation back to your inbox. Method 2. Ask the other person. Scroll to your messages. Before you embark on a mission to find your lost messages, scroll through your Facebook Messenger inbox and look for the chat you think you deleted. There's always a chance that your conversation just got buried under several newer ones. And search for a name or keyword. If you don't see what you're looking for in your inbox, tap the search bar at the top and search for anything you remember about the message. If you accidentally skip over the message while scrolling, you may find it this way. Ask the person or people you chatted with for a copy of the message. Deleting the message only deletes it from your inbox, not the inboxes of other participants. If you haven't found the message in your inbox and it's not archived, contact the person or people you were chatting with and ask them to take a screenshot for you. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.